We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
After the wake for guests to pay their respects to the dead, in a traditional Hakka funeral, the coffin was carried to the burial site by members of the same clan. Firecrackers preceded the cortege and spirit money was thrown into the air to stop bad ghosts troubling the deceased soul on the way to the afterworld. This was called buying a route, 买路钱. Halfway, mourners honored the dead in a ceremony called 路祭. After the burial, the direct descendants knelt to thank friends and family for escorting the dead, 哀谢. They then returned home by a different route to that taken by the funeral procession. Although the funeral rites were over, the family continued to wear mourning until 7 weeks or 49 days had passed. This was called 坐期. During this time, rice and food were offered to the dead at each meal. Mourning ended on the 100th day when survivors took off armbands signifying a death in the family. They continued to honor the anniversaries of the birth and death of the deceased each year. Hello everyone, this is Joseph Lin with another Hakka lesson.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas。
这个圣诞节快到了，客家人也会过圣诞节了哈。
你的外国人这样会过啦。
啊，我们过年也会过，是不是？
你们外国人才在过、
真的吗？好吧，不管怎么样，这是一个世界的这个通行的一个节日啊。对对对，然后最主要是因为很快乐，大家要把这个爱啊，还有快乐要分享给大家。So I think we should teach people here. We've never taught anything that's about positivity, something that's happy. You know, people should be happy. As we always say in English, you know, you have to be content with your life, and therefore you'll be happy forever. You know. So is there any sentences in Hakka that say that 有没有任何句子在客家话里面就是有关于快乐啦，比较乐观一点的东西
？OK， 人生要快乐，健康18年。
人生要快乐，然后第二句是什么？
健康18年。
健康18年。
加巴里呀。
人生只要快乐的话，就健康可以吃到120就对了。If you are happy, you can live till 120. That's it, huh?
人生要快乐。
人生要快乐 That means life should be happy.
健康18年。
健康18年 That means you can live healthy till 120. There you have it. So remember that from our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么大家按子说。
张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.